Toothpaste color codes, the secret message printed at the bottom of the tube. You've probably heard the theory, but today we're going to expose the truth behind this viral myth with real-life examples and some solid science. So the claim goes like this: green equals all natural, blue equals natural plus medicine, red equals natural plus chemicals, black equals all chemicals. Seems pretty straightforward, right? People have been sharing this like wildfire online. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Reels. Everyone's suddenly an ingredient detective. But is that actually true? Let's dig in. Those colored squares at the bottom of your toothpaste tube, they're called eye marks or color marks. They have nothing to do with the ingredients inside your toothpaste. These marks are for automated packaging machines. The sensors read these eye marks to know exactly where to cut, fold, and seal the tube. The color itself, it's chosen for contrast, so the machine sensors can detect it. That's all.
Two tubes with different colors can have the exact same formula. That color square doesn't represent the ingredient list or the chemical content or whether it was blessed by a toothpaste fairy.
If you want to know what's in your toothpaste, don't flip it over to see the color square. Flip it over to check the ingredient list. Look for ingredients like fluoride helps prevent cavities, sodium lauryl sulfate SLS, foaming agent, sorbitol helps keep the paste smooth, natural extracts like mint or neem. Some brands may use more natural ingredients, some might not, but that's listed right here, not on a tiny color block at the bottom. You could literally buy two tubes, one with a green square, one with a black square, and the green one could have more chemicals. It's marketing confusion, not science. So why do so many people fall for this? Simple. It sounds believable. It fits a narrative that natural wok are good and chemicals wok are bad. And it's visual. People love quick, color-coded rules. But that doesn't make it true. Even toothpaste manufacturers and dental associations have debunked this myth publicly. It's been floating around the internet for years and it just won't die. So next time someone tells you to only buy green mark toothpaste, you can drop some knowledge on them. Look at the ingredients, not the color. Read the label, not the myths. And always brush twice a day, no matter what color your toothpaste is. Hit like if you learned something new. Share this to bust the myth, and subscribe for more truth bombs you can use in real life.